Veena from CS department. I am going to take a subject cryptography and network security. So first we are going to see about what is cryptography. So cryptography means that it is an art and science of various principles that are followed by the transforming of plain text message into a ciphertext messages. So that means ciphertext means you are encrypting or decrypting the data. So the plain text means that it is a original message. Ciphertext means that it transforms the message produced as output. It depends on plain text under some key. So we have a message called hi or apple. We are converting apple from sender to receiver during usage of some keys or ciphertext. So the ciphertext means that it can change the data or it can change the value of the some alphabetical letters. If the alphabetical letters of plain text A is 1, you are converting the A into ciphertext, it can be changed as 3. So we have to move forward of 3 places from the first part. So apple A, you are converting into the ciphertext A is 3, that is called D, using an encryption or decryption process. In this, we have a various terminologies. One is cryptography, second one is plain text, third one is ciphertext, fourth one is cipher, next one is key, encipher, decipher, cryptanalysis, cryptography, or code. So first, we all know about the cryptography. Cryptography means that it is a science that are transforming plain text into ciphertext. Next one is key. In this key, we have some critical information used by ciphers like pass keys or passwords. Next one is encipher, the process of converting plain text to ciphertext using cipher and a key. Converting plain text to ciphertext means encipher. You are converting ciphertext back into plain text means that is decipher. Next one is cryptanalysis. The cryptanalysis means that it is a code breaking. So code breaking means that you are using some text, it cannot be meaningful, it is meaningless, that is called cryptanalysis. At finally we reach a meaning, but inside or intermediate would be act as a code breaking. So next one is cryptology. In this cryptology, we will be able to access in both crypto analysis and cryptography. Last one is code. In this code we have some algorithms. For example, you are using python code, we are using c++ code. So for the coding process we have some algorithms. So based on the algorithm we can perform the codes. So in this code we are transforming a plain text message into an unintelligible one using a code book. The code book is used for a civil department is using a code book. In that code book we have some values. So based on that the code will be accessed. So next one is need of cryptography. In this need we have various needs of cryptography. First one is confidentiality, second one data integrity, third one authentication, fourth one secure transaction, fifth one is privacy and data protections. In this confidentiality, we have a confidential data with one to another. You are sending A to B some values of apple or hi message you are sending from one person to another person. It should be confidential. There is a one-to-one communication. There is not a broadcast communication or group communication should not be able to access in confidentiality. The second one is data integrity. Data integrity means that simply it is denoted as consistent. If you are consistent, you will be able to do all the problems. If you are not consistent, you are not able to do the any problems. So third one is authentication. So authentication means that it is a login process. So you have a login, you have a user ID, you have a password. So that is called authentication. Fourth one is secure transactions. So we all know about that. We are using GPay, we are using phone pay. So in that we have to transfer some amount from one place to another place or one person to another person, need a secure transformations or secure transactions. So last one is privacy and data protection. So privacy means that it is a security. So the basic needs of cryptography is security and proper communication or proper transaction will be applicable. So next one is, what is computer security? So in this computer security, we have a various goals, that will be denoted as CIA. The CIA means that confidentiality, integrity and availability. So what is computer security? The computer needs some security by the automated information system in order to attain applicable objectives of integrity, availability and confidentiality of information system resources. It includes hardware, software, information, data and telecommunication processes. So in this we have some confidentiality, integrity, availability, authenticity and accountability. In this basically we study only three types, that is called CIA. One is confidentiality, integrity and availability. In this we have a further other two types, that is accountability and authenticity. Authenticity means that it is a genuine data. So in confidentiality we have two types, one is data confidentiality and another one is privacy. In integrity we have two types, data integrity and system integrity. So data integrity we have stored and transmit some packets. In system integrity we have intended functions of unpaired manner that assumes that it will be unauthorized manipulations. So next one is availability. So we are booking some tickets in the railway station or theater. If we want to check the availability of a tickets, and then only we can able to process the ticket. So next one is confidential. The confidential means that it will be authorized disclosures, but there is a loss of confidentiality of unauthorized persons. Next one is availability. So already I told that availability. Next one is authenticity. So authenticity means that it will be a genuine, that will be able to verified or trusted or confidence with some persons or trusted sources. That is called authenticity. The final one is accountability. The accountability means that the security goals that should be transferred or that should be generated from the requirements of action. It have a various fault isolation, intrusion detection system. If someone is interrupted or in problem access, the problem will be recovered by some persons. So that is called accountability. There are main challenges at cryptographies or the simple objective but complex mechanisms, and have always think from hacker's point of view. If someone is hacking, we have to recover the data. If someone is hacking, we have to recover the data. And the placements of mechanism, we have various placements like mechanisms, that is server, client and router. Need to remove all the weaknesses. We cannot have any weaknesses. Next one is, it is implemented in after design is to be completed. If something has happened, every users or every client or every server, the message will be passed to everywhere.